Discorded Soul, and today I will be opening up a single pack of Ancient Origins. So, I rarely see them in these kind of packages, so it's a little interesting. So, looks like we got a Hoopa. So, I'll open it up and see what we get. Oh, didn't want to open for me. So, if I get a good card, I will give you guys the code card. So, here's the front. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, starting off with it. Come on, focus, please. Focus, thank you. Starting off with a Flareon, Dangerous Energy, Rotom, Magikarp, Inkay, Unknown, with that Farewell Letter ability. Once during your turn before your attack, if this Pokemon is on your bench, you may discard this Pokemon and all cards attached to it. This does not count as a knockout. If you do, draw a card, and it also does 10 damage. So if the cards will work for me, and I will pull them, but they're being there. Eevee to go with our Flareon. Persian, Reverse, Hollow, Reverse, Uncommon, Eco Arm, and our next card is a Porygon Z. So that's what we got, guys, a Porygon Z. I'm gonna just stick it in my deck box. Or do that. Oops. Sorry, guys. Just stick it in there, as well as the other cards. So, oops, I really messed up the camera. Sorry, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.